Today we're going to take you on a tour of this magnificent 3-year young, totally custom view home here in Mukilteo, Washington. This home is about 4,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, theater room, multiple view decks, big 800 square foot undercover patio area with barbecue, double-sided fireplace, and outside here we've got a nice fire pit. A closer view here of the fire pit area, which you can see a view of the mountains and sound behind us, which we'll go back to here. Again, beautiful views from just about every spot in this gorgeous home. Here's the outdoor barbecue undercover patio area mentioned earlier. Again, about 800 square feet of covered area with built-in music and lights, and double French doors from the living space out to the patio with the double-sided fireplace. As you enter this home, you'll see beautiful hand-scraped birch floors throughout the entire first level, as well as up the stairs with wrought iron balusters and wood treads. Also notice lots of magnificent wainscoting, Cape Cod style here in this area, and crown molding topped doors and windows. Box beam ceiling here in the living room. And that continues all the way through here into the dining area. Nice big dining room with lots of room for a big hutch or multiple hutches and a big table. And again, you see all the attention to detail in the millwork here. And back into the living area. Obviously enough room for a piano. Continuing down the hallway here towards the family room with the view, amazing view. Within this room we've got double built-in bookcases and another nice stone fireplace with a built-in spot for flat panel TV. Another large dining nook area with double doors to the view deck. And then into the kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous dark chocolate colored cabinets, stainless appliances, walk-in pantry, slab granite counters, tons of counter space, tons of cabinet space, gas cooktop, and again enjoy the views from the kitchen and all the rooms here in this area of the house. And here's the entry off of the dining nook onto the view deck through the double doors. Big, full-length view deck with glass railings. And a view coming back in off the deck towards the kitchen and the family room. Off of the family room area, there's a short hallway to powder bath. The beautiful vessel sink, slab granite counters. And off of the family room is this absolutely beautiful home office, den, library, however you'd like to use it. Full of windows and double doors back to the deck again. All done in real finished wood, wainscoting, crown molding, chair rail, and these built-in bookcases. Upstairs, at the top of the stairs, we will find, we walk right into the master suite. Again, absolutely amazing views to wake up to. It's a very large master suite with a built-in window seat towards the view. Again, chock full of windows, lots of natural light, and enjoying the view from just about every angle. It also features a gas fireplace here just to the right of the entry. Absolute spa-like master bathroom here with a raised soaking tub, again with a full view of the water island and the mountains. Volcano Travertine floors, counters, vessel sinks, and possibly one of the biggest, most luxurious showers you'll ever see. Double-headed, full-length bench, all glass, beautiful. And off the bathroom is the master walk-in closet, which deserves to be shot on video with its incredible built-ins, and a center island in the middle of the closet for storage and accessibility. Just off the upstairs bedrooms and the master is a nice size laundry room with ample storage of cabinets and counter space, and a very nice whole house instant hot water heater system, very efficient. And just down the hallway from the master is two secondary bedrooms, both very large, lots of space, big closets. And connecting the two bedrooms is a Jack and Jill bathroom with double sinks and recycled glass countertops, which you absolutely have to see. Incredible. And a separate toilet area and shower room. And the next bedroom, again, very nice size bedroom. Cork floors, lots of closet space. On the third level, we have a 3/4 bath with granite counters and a nice tile floors throughout this area. And then we will enter into the theater room, bonus room, with a built-in kitchenette, wet bar, and try to back up here and give you the full view of this incredible theater room. Very high ceilings. I think that's a 130-inch screen for watching movies. Or you can use this room as a bonus room, playroom, exercise room, lots of options, lots of space. And possibly one of the biggest 3-car garages, at least in height, that I've ever seen. So you could definitely put in added storage in this